issues.
Meghalaya State Planning Board Kaladon hagi Kylla ba Khatduh jong ka jingpen krea ban ai Jingmut halor Kylla jingpen bed na ka Bynta ka jing deheng kali ka bajur hanong ba Shillong. Haba pentip ya kani Chairman ka Meghalaya State Planning Board uba met ba lingdo ula batai halor ka jing persang ka Planning Board ban kemi ya ka jing deheng kali. Uloong ba ka jing yakren bat kita nak terekam ba per kelas dang ha usnem baladep bat ka board menta ka don ha Kylla ba Khatduh ha ka ban pen krea ya ka jing ai Jingmut. Uloong ruba on sa syong sa hakaway ka jingelang haswa bakin penbed bat pa ya ka jing ai Jingmut sya ka sorkar.
Is examining all the points and all the actions taken by the different departments who are part and parcel of the solution as far as the traffic congestion solving issues. The board will definitely come out with some kind of a suggestion, and we're going to place it with the government for further consideration, so that the same also can be implemented in the Shillong city. This exercise is on. We will try to close it as early as possible.
Clear nang yalam ka United Democratic